Okay, so I wanted to make a short video about how to replace the drive belt on a wood planer. This is the electric wood planer, and it's got a rotary blade which spins round. It's got two blades on it, there and there. And the thing that spins those blades is a rubber belt which sits inside here. So what you want to do is take off the cover, and inside there you will see the motor, part of the motor, and it sits a rubber belt. Now this one is worn, it's very, very worn, and I actually bought this wood planer for about £2 or £3, which is very cheap. I bought it from a car boot sale, which is what you might call a jumble sale, or a place where they sell second-hand items. I bought it very cheap. It doesn't work properly, it doesn't spin, the motor turns, but because the belt's worn, it won't turn this. So what I've done is I've ordered one off eBay, which has just arrived today, a brand new belt. It was only £3.50, and I'm going to replace it. I'm going to put it on there like that. So this will go over there, and it will go over there. It might take a bit of effort to get on. Okay, so what you actually have to do when you go to put the new belt on there, on them two, is you have to remove this plate first, and that will turn that. So what you want to do is jam it. So put a piece of wood in there, just to jam the wheel, and then you want to loosen this. So get yourself a screwdriver, and then you want to take the plate off, and that will make it easier to put the belt over there and there. So just take this metal cover off. Now it takes a bit of effort to get to the stage I'm at. I'm about to push the belt down now, but once you've got it that far, you make sure it's on that cog and on that cog as well. Once you've got it on, you're good to go then, and push it down, and then put your cover back on, and put your plate on, screw it all together, take out that, and test it, and hopefully it'll be working good. Health and safety is absolutely paramount, so I've got myself some protective glasses. You might also want to put some earmuffs on to eliminate noise. Always remember, health and safety. So now that the cover's back on, all we need to do now is to plug it in, and hopefully it will be working okay. Let's try it now. Here we go. Turn it on. Is it spinning? Yep, seems to be working.